What's up guys, it is Sarah at Scentbox, and today we're going to be going over another perfume subscription box. As you can tell, we are in the car at the moment because I was about to run out and do some errands. Realized that I got this package in the mail and wanted to go ahead and go over it with you guys. I'm super excited. You're actually going to be going over another perfume subscription box, which is Luxury Scent Box. They actually sent me this package to check out for you guys, so definitely a big shout out to Luxury Scent Box. Just a little bit about the company. They are a woman-owned and founded business, which is really awesome, and I believe the owners have over 20 years of experience in the fragrance industry. Luxury Scent Box was also featured in the New York Post for being one of the best monthly subscription boxes of 2021. You will get a 30-day supply of fragrance every month. You can choose your plan. They have different plans, and you actually get to pick the fragrance. They have over 700 designer fragrances to choose from. It's $15.95 a month. Normally, I do have a code that I'll be leaving in the description below. The promo code is ScentBox35, which will bring your total for your first month down to $10.37. So I'll be leaving the links and everything down in the description below if you want to check that out. But let's go ahead and get into the package. I can't wait to see what they sent us. Let's get into it. I think it's a really cute little logo and everything that they have also. Super cute. And I've already seen what the little perfume cases look like, and they're always super pretty. They're colorful, and you get a free one with your first month, and then you get a free case every quarter. So every season you'll get a new case that you can reuse. And while we're trying to get into this thing, people usually ask how it works. Basically, you just set up your plan, pick whatever fragrance you want. It's month to month, so you can cancel at any time. Also has free shipping, so you don't have to worry about that. Alright, so first thing, we got this little card here. It says, Love Life with Perfume, how to use your LUXSB. Just how to use the case. You twist it open, and you're good to go. To refill, all you gotta do is pull the glass vial out from the top of the case and put a new one in, twist it to close, and it's as simple as that. On the website as well, you can go on there and you can rate the fragrance that you get. You can update your calendar so you can schedule your fragrances out for upcoming months. Then it just has where you can tag them at hashtag Luxury Scent Box or hashtag LuxSB. Alright, now let's actually get to the good stuff and check out the scents that we got. Okay, just kidding, we do have one more card, and it is for Gisada Switzerland fragrances. Just kind of advertising some of their fragrances. It has the notes of this fragrance right here. It kind of breaks it down for you and shows you everything, and then it also tells you what the full bottle size would be, which is $380 for this. So as you can tell, there are some very high-end fragrances that you can choose from on Luxury Scent Box. So let's go ahead and get into it. It comes in these little boxes right here. And this time we actually got a nice, sleek, black looking case. Real nice. Let's see what this is. Alright, so first one we have is Juliet Has a Gun Lily Fantasy. I've actually had other fragrances by this brand before, the Juliet Has a Gun. They have unisex fragrances as well, so I'm pretty excited about this one. Everyone that I've smelled so far has been good, so I'm glad they hooked me up with this one. I'm sure it's not going to disappoint at all. Let's go ahead and give it a smell and see what it's like. Oh, that's going to be perfect for spring. I'm super excited about that. Let's go ahead and give it a spray test. This one already smells really good from what I can tell, so I'm going to actually spray this one on myself, I think. Let's see what it really smells like out of the bottle. That is such a good fragrance. Yeah, I knew that Juliet Has a Gun would not disappoint. That is absolutely amazing and perfect for spring. So I'm going to be wearing this one a lot. Did good picking this one for me, so shout out to them. Super awesome. Alright, let's go ahead and move on to our second fragrance. I'm so excited. I've been looking forward to this for a while now. So looks like we do have another little sleek black case, which I'm completely fine with. I do know that they have more colors and stuff though, because my husband has tried Luxury Scent Box. So let's see what this is. This next fragrance that we have is Gisada Ambassador Women. Hopefully I'm saying that right. It is made in Switzerland, so go ahead and give it a sniff test. That is amazing as well. I'm gonna definitely have to look into the notes of these a little bit more. And like I said, I'll be leaving the more detailed description of each of these if you want to check them out yourself. Just so you can get an idea kind of what I'm smelling. That last one was really floral, really good springtime fragrance. I think all of these are aimed to be for the upcoming season. So I think they're all going to be perfect for spring and summer coming up. And I'm super excited. So like I said, this is the Jasada Ambassador Women. And both of these have been really strong. Like, you can actually smell them without even spraying them. Like, I haven't sprayed this yet or anything, and I can smell it just from the tube really well. And this is a really, really nice, clean fragrance. I definitely recommend this one as well. It is Jasada, like this, that's on the card here. It's the same brand and everything. And I believe my husband has gotten another Jasada fragrance, so I highly recommend them so far. So far, so good. Everything I've seen from them has been great, kind of like Juliet Has Gun. Let's go ahead and move on to our last and final fragrance and see what's up with it. Alright, so we got all black cases this time. I'm fine with that. And I don't know if I showed you guys, it also says Love Life with perfume on the back of it. Really sleek. I love these. They're a little bit bigger than the normal ones, I think. But let's go ahead and open it up, see what we got. Okay, so I'm probably going to butcher the name of this one. It is made in France. So this one is Comptoir Sud Pacific Vanilla Apricot. You can see it's like a amber color. Let's go ahead and give it a spray. Now that is like a perfect vanilla scent. I'm not really big on vanilla much, honestly. I'm kind of picky when it comes to vanilla. I don't want it to be too vanilla. And this one kind of has some citrusy vibes. I guess where it has the apricot, it's just complementing it really well. The vanilla apricot, that is perfect for spring. Winter and spring, I would say. Kind of gives me holiday vibes a little bit too. Like Thanksgiving, you know, Christmas dinner vibes, something like that. Really sweet, definitely like a gourmand fragrance, so I really like that. Alright guys, so we definitely got some good fragrances today. I'm super happy to have gotten this package in today. Been looking forward to working with Luxury Scent Box for a while now, and I'm definitely glad that they gave me the opportunity to. So shout out to them. Definitely check Luxury Scent Box out. Don't forget to use your promo code ScentFox35 for 35% off your first order, which will take your total from $15.95 down to $10.37. Definitely check that out. All the links will be down in the description below. And I definitely want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you want more. I'll definitely be doing more of these more long form content videos more often now. I know I've been doing some shorts and stuff like that. So just let me know what you guys want. Do you want more of the long form content videos like these where I do the unboxings and kind of hauls, because I get multiple different fragrance subscriptions from Luxury Scent Box, just Scent Box, Scent Bird. Thinking about maybe trying some more out just to kind of compare and see what's out there. But definitely let me know what you guys think. And again, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. I am still growing my channel. It is very small right now, but we are getting some momentum. Definitely got a lot of good stuff coming. So definitely stay tuned for that, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.